I recently purchased the Kidde carbon monoxide alarm, and I wanted to show you how to install it and the tools that you'll need, and kind of run you through, how to test to make sure that it's operating correctly and all the parts that come with it. So when I bought this, right here, this is all the parts. You get a couple Kidde batteries. Get 2 of the AA's. You can use any batteries, but they do send that. And then you got a couple screws here and a couple anchors to go ahead and put in your wall. Basically, you'll use these if you're going into drywall. If you do have a stud, piece of wood behind the wall, then you'll actually be using that to be able to anchor it. And so I just want to give you a quick overview of how this works with the install. So on the back here, you can see this will actually slide up just like that. Okay, these are in the way right now, so I don't want to break those. Let me show you real quick while I got this here. So basically, you have to fold these little red clips down when you put in the batteries. So there's one way, plus and minus, plus is this way. You heard it beep. Then what you do is you actually slide this plate up, and you'll hear it click in. There's a little click right there. And then to test it, what you're gonna do is push this button here, and that's gonna test it. It's gonna make a loud noise. Probably do one more here in a minute. There you go. So now you know it's functioning correctly. This will flash green, which you just saw that do, to show you that it's operating correctly. And so that's how you know that this is working right. Now, I want to show you how to install this real quick. Pretty simple to do. Basically what you'll need an 1/8 inch drill bit, and you'll also need a marker of some sort to mark where you want it to go. And then you're gonna need a drill bit, or a drill, sorry, with a extension to put the drill bit in. You don't have to have this. You could probably do it by hand, but I'd recommend going that route. So anyways, what you want to do, you want to take this back off, and this will be your guide. So you want to realize that when this is flush against the wall back like this side will be touching the wall with the arrow. So the best way to do this, I'll come over to a wall here and just show you, is grab your pencil or pen, whatever you got, and then wherever you want to mount it on the wall, you'll go ahead and level that up, and then you'll touch right there and right there with your pencil to mark where you want to actually put those screws. So once that's done, then you can take this off and you'll have a couple holes right here. I'm not doing it personally myself right this second because this is actually going into my RV, and so I'm not going to mount it. We've got some in our home already, but just want to do a demo here to show you how it works. So then what you're going to do, you're going to hook up your drill, and you're going to use this 1/8 inch and go ahead and where you marked it, you're going to go ahead and drill that out. If there's wood behind there, then you're just going to install the screws, okay? And if there is actually drywall, then you're gonna put one of these in there, and then you're gonna screw, here's up against the wall, this is in the wall now, you're gonna have this right here, and then you're gonna take a screw and screw this part into it. And then what'll happen is, as you can see right here, this will slide right up to the top, so it'll sit flush and tight. And then, you have to picture this here, this is up against the wall, so it's all mounted. You've done the screws and everything. Then all that's gonna happen is this will just slide right up into it, just like that. And then it will sit there perfect for you to use. Anyways, that's pretty much it. We've had a few of these and have really liked them, so we just purchased some more. Thanks.